Okay, we're going to continue with page 45. On this page says food myth. The idea is to tell me which ones do you think are true. Food myth, mitos, okay? So, letter a carrot, sorry, in plural. Carrots help us to see in the dark. So when I was a child, my mom and my dad told me, if you eat your carrots, you can see in the dark. But well, I eat carrots not until now, but I can see in the dark. And also, I wear glasses, so that is kind of possible or impossible. Carrots contain beta carotene, and our body converts beta carotene into vitamin A. Vitamin A maintains our eyesight, but it doesn't help our night vision. So, the idea to eat carrots is good because vitamin A. But what is not true is that it helps our night vision. So it's impossible to see at night. Letter B. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. So this is in Spanish you say refrán, no? An apple a day keeps the doctor away. This old myth isn't completely false. Okay? Apples contain antioxidants and they help to protect our body cells. Apple also contain natural sugars and are low in fat. So they are the perfect snack. So it's good in this part, it's true, no? It contains, let me see, it's an old myth, okay? It's not completely false, so in part it's true, as I told you. It contains antioxidants, okay? Antioxidants, and also they contain natural sugar and are low in fat. Low means bajo. Okay, so eat apples, class. Let's continue. Eating fish makes you intelligent. Well, before reading, I remember also when I was a child, my mom and my dad said, eat a lot of fish like your uncle because he's more intelligent. Well, um, also he's an engineer. No, he's an engineer. She's very smart. Let's see. Some scientists says this is true. Boys who eat fish every week do much better in intelligence tests than boys who don't eat fish regularly. Do you like fish? So, this is for ladies, okay? This in this case say boys, but I would say boys and girls, okay? Boys and girls or people in general, okay? So it's according to some scientists, it's true. So start eating fish. If you don't like fish, do it. Chocolate gives you acne. Acne. Chocolate contains antioxidants, so it doesn't cause acne. What more? What's more? It contains a substance that helps people to relax. Stress causes spots and acne, so chocolate is good for you. In the reality that chocolate doesn't cause acne. What it causes is stress. Okay? Stress. So chocolate makes you or helps you to relax. Pizza's bad for you. But pizza is delicious. Let's see. In fact, if you don't buy pizza in a store but you make it at home, it's very healthy. Homemade pizza contains fiber, vitamins, minerals, and proteins. Perfect for young people. Okay. So, let's see. To eat pizza is good, but not a pizza like you buy in, like, for example, Pizza Hut or Telepizza. I don't know. Because they contain substances that are not good for you. But if in your house you prepare your own pizza, that is going to be healthy. It's going to be healthier than the pizza buy in a store. Okay? Now let's see here. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 a food myth. Okay? Now let's see. Reading the strategy. Before you read, look at the headings. They help you to get a general idea of the text. Those are the headings. In blue, carrot help us to see in the dark. An apple a day keeps the doctor away. Eating fish makes you intelligent. Chocolate gave you acne. Or pizza is bad for you. No? So this is the reading strategy. Now, skim the text and choose the correct option. Now let's see. What is the food myth here? No, the correct option is to eat carrots in the first one, but it doesn't help you to see in the dark. An apple, an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So, in this case, what was? That apples are good for you. Eating fish makes you intelligent, according to scientists. No, remember, we're remembering, okay? Chocolate, chocolate gives you acne? No, that is false. Stress gives you acne. Acne, sorry. Read and listen again. Match the columns to make sentences. Carrots. This is the example. Carrots don't help you to see in the night. Okay, that is true. Let's continue. Apples are low in fat. Okay, apples. Apples are low in fat. Yes, that's right. This is here. Eating fish regularly helps you to relax. A homemade pizza helps your intelligence. Yes, I remember. Helps your intelligence. Chocolate. And there is fevering. Chocolate helps you relax. Or a homemade pizza. No. Chocolate helps you relax. And this is here. Okay? So those are the answers. So you can pause the video and you can do it on your books. Listen, you can also take notes so that you can start your Google Doc. No, working your Google Doc. So there is no problem. And also I'm giving you some colors here so that you can see the difference. Okay? Now, scan the text and answer the questions. Do carrots contain vitamin A? Carrots contain vitamin A? Yes or no? Scan. Yes, vitamin A. Yes, the answer is yes, teacher. Perfect. Yes. Let's continue. Do apples contain sugar? Apples, an apple a day. Okay. Yes. Natural sugar. Yes, mister. Okay. A ver. Yes. Yes. Now, let's see. What causes acne? What causes acne? Chocolate? No. What causes you acne is stress. Okay, remember, stress. Stress. What kind of pizza is healthy? What kind of pizza is healthy? What you buy in Pizza Hut? No. Is, can you remember? Healthy. It's very healthy. Homemade pizza. Okay. Homemade pizza. Now, I have a question here. Before finishing this part, I have a question. Let's see. Do carrots contain vitamin A? Are you sure? Yes, mister. It's on the reading. Okay, let's listen. Carrots contain beta-carotene, and your body converts beta-carotene into vitamin A. So, the question was, do carrots contain vitamin A? No. They contain beta-carotene. And our body transforms beta-carotene into vitamin A. So that's our answer. Okay, this is our answer. Okay, reading strategy. Sometimes words in English are similar to words in your language, no? Remember, in some cases, the words in English and in Spanish are kind of similar, okay? Looking for these words can help you to understand the text better. These words are called transparent words, okay? For example, let's look for some transparent words. Let's see. Food myth. Okay, mitos. It's a possibility, could be one here. Carrots can contain beta carotene in our body. Converts. Convertir. Beta carotene. No, beta carotene into vitamins. Vitamins. Vitaminas. Perfect. Vitamins maintain our eyesight, but it doesn't help us our night vision. Vision. Perfect. 1, 2, 3. Let's continue here. No, we're going to highlight. Vamos a resaltar. No, converts like convertir. Vitamin, similar like Spanish, and vision. No, similar like Spanish. This old myth isn't completely false. Apples contain antioxidants. Mr. Similar, okay. Antioxidants, and they help to protect our body cells. Apples also contain natural sugar in it and are low in fat. So they're a perfect snack. Snack, yeah, but snack is a word in English and we use in Spanish. It's not Spanish exactly, okay? Some scientists says this is true. Boys who eat fish every week do much better intelligence tests than boys who don't eat fish regularmente. Yeah, okay. Chocolate, chocolate is equal. Contain antioxidants. Antioxidants is here, okay? So it doesn't cause acne. Acne, What's more, it contains a substance. Okay, it's similar, no? It's similar. That helps people to relax. Excellent, relax. Stress causes spots and acne, so chocolate is good for you. And the last part. In fact, if you don't buy pizza in a store, but you make it at home, it's very healthy. Homemade pizza, yes, pizza. I was forgetting pizza. Contains fiber, vitamins, minerals like minerales, proteins perfect for young people. So there are a lot. 3, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I can see 12. So here's a circle, at least 6 words in the text that are similar to the words in your language. So we're talking about uh, Spanish, okay? Similar to Spanish. Okay, class, this is going to be everything for now. Here, for the next class, we have the simple present. So you can get ready for the next class. No, not for this week, for the next class about present perfect. No, and using our vocabulary. Okay. Also, we have affirmative, negative, and questions. So we're going to work next class 2 pages. Okay. So that's all for now. Thank you so much. See you. Bye bye.